What's up, Oakcliff friends and fans, and welcome back to the Cocktail Breeze. Today we have some more match racing footage for you guys, but first, don't forget to check out our weekend workshop series. This Saturday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, Dawn is going to do a book club on Maiden. This is the Sony Classics documentary about Dawn and the first all-female team racing around the world in the 1989-1990 Whitbread. Watch the film with the link below on Amazon Prime, and write down any questions that you have, and this Saturday is your chance to ask her in person what it was like. So, without further ado, here we go for some more match racing practice footage.
Minutes. I am yellow and I am port for the purposes of this exercise. I am later than blue. I will get in. I might have to jibe, but nope, I'm in. I am luffing. You are holding your course. You're coming up. Okay, that gives me the out. You need to slow down. You need to slow the F down. You need to slow down. Bye-bye. I could have stopped the boat a little bit more. I should be up higher. There's no reason. Okay, so you might just have to get out of there. I should go. 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 So easy from the umpire boat. Okay, I am a stern give. I need to accelerate and then roll the boat up. Everybody go, including the trimmers. All of Francis's weight did okay. You guys roll as a team. Okay. You are bearing away. You are in starboard. I need to start avoiding. I need to start avoiding. I need to start avoiding at this point. That's all I can do. Don't swing. Don't swing. Don't swing. Okay, keep going. Ariel, go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Why are you going to hell? Why are you going to hell? Why are you going to hell?
They were all great the whole time.
Yep. I don't know. For now, it's this. We'll review it on the tape.
How much did they pay? I'll give you double.
Go, 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 go. Now
Less
you're
than
on
1 minute
port.
for color down.
You probably could have gotten across. You can't get across. We're still way the hell above the start line. At that point, yellow, I should have tacked and held them up as opposed to just following them. I could have held them up and then chosen. Oh boy. I hope this video is still going.
30 seconds, color down.
Nice roll, nice roll. Nice roll. 124.
Seconds.
I'm yellow. I'm a stern give. I can do you can do anything you want. Just now getting into the normal playground.
Less than 1 minute to the start.
Okay, they're coming at me. I'm not quite sure why I tacked there. Except for it is quicker to get back, but I'm pretty high.
30 seconds to the start.
Scoop straight down and push. Straight push. Full speed. Full speed. Flatten the boat. Push. They're unforced error. They're going too close. They still have 15 seconds to kill. 15 seconds to kill. Push, push, push. Boat number 3, that's me. Yellow is me. Push, push, push. 10.
10, 9, 8,
So you're going to
7,
open the door for me.
6,
This is
5,
gonna be a race.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Let the video run as long as it goes.
so much for watching, guys. We hope that you enjoyed that video. If you have any comments on how we can make our content better, drop them in the comments section below. Don't forget to